Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, online and website. Today we discuss the topic internet and its related objective questions. The first question is question number 1. A word on a page, on a web page which opens other documents when click on its as. The right answer is hyperlink. A word on a web page which opens other documents when click on it is a hyperlink. The next question, which of the following is an example of continuity? The right answer is A, internet. Question third, when sending an email, the dash line describes the contents of the message. The right answer is subject. Question fourth, dash is a device which uses for data transmissions through the telecommunications line. The right answer is fourth Kabir, that is modem. Modem is a device which uses for data transmissions through the telecommunications line. Question number 5. Unsolicited emails is called a. The right answer is D, that is spam. Unsolicited email is called a spam. Question number 6. Inverter of www is a. The right answer is D, Tim Berners-Lee. Inventor of www is Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a term of information technology? The right answer is C, light storage. Which of the following is not a term of information technology? That is a light storage. Question number 8. Spam is related to a. Spam is related to a. The right answer is A, computer. Spam is related to a computer. Question number 9. Password enables refers to a. C, retain confidentially of files. Question number 10. What is an email? The right answer is C, that is your transmissions of files and messages through the computer network. Question number 11. A chat is a D, real-time typed conservation. Question number 12. Secret code that restricts entry in the same programs is. The right answer is A, password. Question number 13. Sending an email is like a. The right answer is C, that is writing a letter. Question number 14. The process of a computer receiving information from a server on the internet is as a. The right answer is question number 14, because C, that is your downloading. Downloading. The process of computer receiving information from a server on the internet is known as downloading. Question number 15. IT stands for information technology. Question number 16. Sending an email is similar to a. C, that is your writing a letter. Question number 17. Question number 17. E-commerce allows companies to. The right answer is 17 ka B, that is conduct business over the internet. Question number 18. Junk email is also called a spam. Question 19. The internet allows you to. All of the above, that is internet allows send email, view web page, connect to server all around the world. Question number 20. A program designed to destroy data on your computer which can travel to infect other computers is called a D, that is a virus. Question 21. What is the most common way to get a virus in your computer hard disk? Right answer is B, by opening emails. Question 22. Marketing of internet banking means. The right answer is 22 C, that is your marketing the uses of banking transactions through the internet. Question 23. DAS are devices used to transmit data over telecommunication line. The right answer is 23rd C, that is your modems. Modems are devices used to transmit data over the telecommunications lines. Question 24. Most websites have a main page, the dash, which acts as a doorway to the rest of the website page. 24 ka B, that is your home page. Next, question 25. If you are going to a site you use often instead of having, the right answer is 25 ka C, that is your bookmark it. Question 26. Output which is made up of pictures, sounds and video is called, the right answer is 26 ka D, that is your multimedia. Question 27. WW stands for, the right answer is 27 ka D, World Wide Web. Question 28. The vast network of computers that connected millions of people all over the world is called, the right answer is 28 ka D, 28 ka D, that is your internet. Question 29. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called, the right answer is B, passwords. Question 30. The home page of a website is A, the largest page. Question 31. The internet is a system of D, interconnected networks. Question 32. The dash, also called the web, contains billions of documents. 32 A, that is World Wide Web. Question 33. What is an email attachment? The right answer is B, a separate document from another program sent along with an email message. Question 34. Which of the following are all considered advantage of an email? The right answer is A, convenience, speed of delivery, generally and reliability. Question 35. A dash is a software program used to view web page. The right answer is 35 ka D, that is your browser. Question 36. A dash allows voice conversations to travel over the internet. The right answer is 36. That is your internet telephony. Question 37. Which of the following is not a true concerning user's ID and password? The right answer is D. You should share your user ID and password with at least one another person. Question 38. What is the modem connected to? The right answer is D, phone line. Question 39. An email address typically consists of user ID followed by the dash sign and the name of the email server that manages the user's electronic post office box. The right answer is A, @ Question 40. A web dash consists of one or more web pages located on a web server. The right answer is B, site. Question 41. A computer dash set a program with sections that can be attached itself to a file, reproduce itself and spread to other files. The right answer is 41 ka B, that is virus. Question 42 ka B, that is e-commerce. E-commerce make it possible for shoppers to make a purchase using their computers. Question 43. Programs such as the Internet Explorer that serves as navigable windows into the web are called. The right answer is 43 ka D, that is your web browser. 44 ka C, that is software privacy. 44 ka right answer is C, software privacy. Software privacy is the act of copying or downloading program from a network and making a multiple copies of it. Question 45. Which of the following is the communication protocols that sets the standard used by the average computers that access web-based information? The right answer is C, that is HTTP. Hypertext markup, HTTP. That next question, that is question 46. A DAS is a computer attached to the internet that runs a special web server software and send web pages out to other computers over the internet. The right answer is 46 ka D, that is web server. And the question that is 47, dash are types of inexpensive digital camera that remains tethered to a computer and used for video conferencing, video chatting, and live web broadcast. The right answer is web games. 48. The standard protocol of the internet is a TCP/IP. Question 49. The acronym HTML stands for. The right answer is C. That is your hypertext markup language. Question 50. The software that allows users to surf the internet is called as an D. Browser. Question 51. A modem is dash. The right answer is 51. That is B. A modem is translates digital signals from computer into analog signals that can travel along the conventional telephone lines. Question 52. A website addresses a unique name that identifies a specific dash on the web. The right answer is C. That is website. Question 53. The internet allows you to dash. What is the right answer? The internet allows you to, for D, that is all of these, any send electronic emails, view web pages, and connect it to the servers all around us. Question 54. Most mails programs automatically complete the following two parts an email. The right answer is 54 of B, that is from and date. Two parts, that is from and date. Question 55. The internet allows you to, the right answer is D, that is send electronic mail, view web pages, connected to the server all around us, all around the world. Question 56. What is the most common way to get a virus in your computer hard disk? The right answer is 56 C, that is by uploading pictures from mobile phones to the computer. Question 57. A chat is a dash. A chat is a dash. The right answer is B, that is your a typed conservation that takes place on a computer. Question 58. The internet is dash a large network of networks. 59. Junk email is also called spam. Question 60. The view information on the web, you must have web browser. Question 61. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document. The right answer is C, that is hyperlink. Question 62. The right answer is E, that is communication. Communication is the most popular internet activity. Question 63. What is the e-commerce? The right answer is B, buying and selling international goods. What is the e-commerce? That is buying and selling products and services over the internet. Internal. 63 ka B, that is buying and selling products. What is the e-commerce? Buying and selling products and services over the internet. Question 64. What are the four things needed to connect to the internet? The right answer is 64 ka D, that is a computer, ISP, modem, and communication software. Question 65. Which of the following functions are not performed by the servers? The right answer is E, that is word processing. Question 66. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called A, downloading. Question 67. To reload a web page, press the button. Which button? B, that is reload button. Question 68. You can use the dash bar to type a URL and display a web page, or type a keyword to display a list of related web pages. The right answer is 68 ka E, that is addresses. Question 69. The collection of links throughout the internet creates an interconnected network is called the D, all of the www, web, world wide web. All of these, the collection of the links connected to the internet creates an interconnected network called the right answer is D, that is www web and world wide web. Question 17. And DAS is a composed of several computers connected together to a shared resource and data. The right answer is internet. Next question, question number 71. A popular way to learn about computers without ever going to a classroom is called. The right answer is C, e-learning. Question 72. A person who used his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computers to get information illegally or to damage. B, that is hacker. Question 63. The dash folders retains copies of messages that you have started but are not ready to send. The right answer is C, drafts. Question 74. Dash are attempts by individuals to obtain confidential information from you by flashing their identity. The right answer is E, that is your phishing scans. Question 75. Which of the following is not a true? What the right answer is? The right answer is chatting can only be done with a single person. Question 76. The right answer is, what is the question? That is, what are the two parts for an email address? That is, the right answer is username and domain name. Sending an email is similar to a. The right answer is writing a letter. So 78. If you are going to a site you use often instead of having a to type in the address every time, you should have. The right answer is D, that is your bookmark it. Question 79. Question 78. If you are going to a site you use often instead of having to type in the address every time, you should have bookmark it. Question 79. What does a browser do? The right answer is 78, 79, that is E. It is a software used in a web page. Question 80. An email account includes a storage area often called a C. That is your mailbox. Question 81. What is the modem connected to? D. That is phone line. Question 82. Mr. XYZ wants to send an electronic message to a friend. He should use this type of application. The right answer is 82 B, that is email. Thanks for watching and sharing.